You are pathetic. Not only you, but everyone. We all like to think that we're in control, that our lives have meaning, that our failures are just temporary setbacks. But deep down, we know the truth. We are pathetic. Every single one of us. Everyone you've ever met or even admired is pathetic in their own way. What does it even mean to be pathetic? Waking up and realizing you've wasted another day. Telling yourself you'll change tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. Imagining yourself becoming successful, but never taking any action. Yeah, there are a lot of things that makes us pathetic. The feeling of being broken, the shame, the pretense, the constant, low-grade sense of failure. That feeling is universal, but you are not special in your suffering, only in the details of your wound. Everyone is rotting in their own way. Everyone is pretending to be fine. The person you admire on social media, the one who looks perfect, successful, untouchable. They hide their pathetic nature behind carefully chosen images, behind fake smiles, behind fake words. The truth is, everyone is just as broken as you. Some people just wear better masks. And even when you try to change, to be better, life will always throw something else at you. Another obstacle, another disappointment, another reminder that no matter how much you fight, misery will always find you. You are not pathetic because you chose to be. You are pathetic because life makes you pathetic. Can you even change? Maybe you can. Just try it. You can force yourself to be productive, to build discipline, to chase after a better life. And for a moment, it might even work. You might feel proud. You might think you've finally broken free, but it doesn't last. Because new mistakes will always come. You will eventually mess up your life. New failures will always break you. New disappointments will always remind you that you're still pathetic, just in a different way. You can't escape it. So what is the choice? Surrender? Curl up and wait for the end? No, that's the mistake. That's the most pathetic choice of all. Being pathetic is not a temporary condition to be fixed. It is the human condition itself. It is not something you eliminate, but something you learn to carry. When you feel pathetic, normally you'll drown in it. You'll sink into the feeling, consumed by it. But the paralysis has to end. The dwelling, the looping cycle of self-hatred and shame. That is the only true waste of time left. You can't escape misery by hiding, and you can't outrun shame by doing nothing. You don't move forward to save yourself. You don't move forward for salvation. You move forward simply because there is no other direction. Don't think that your life will ever be better. Don't think there will ever be a day where you stop being pathetic, because you won't. Your life will remain broken. It will always be filled with weakness, filled with occasional, necessary surrender to your own failure. It will stay pathetic. And that's fine. That's normal. The only mistake you can make is wasting your time by circling the same destructive thoughts.